Hey guys, what's up? I was actually starting to pack for my trip to Roswell, New Mexico, and I decided it would be a good idea maybe to record the process of how I pack, so maybe you guys can get some tips on how to kind of like pack in all your stuff in a suitcase. So I decided to record this video. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is what is inside of my large toiletry bag. So I have my brush, my rose water, my deodorant, my dry shampoo, my moisturizer, my Downy wrinkle releaser, setting spray, brightening serum, my mouthwash, face mask, primer spray, Q-tips, soap, sunscreen, toothpaste, and my toothbrush, alcohol wipes for my travel first aid kit, and hair ties. I'm going to go ahead and put all of those into my Vera Bradley cosmetic bag. The next thing I'm going to show you are my small toiletry bag essentials, and these are plastic travel size bottles for products I just couldn't find the minis for, and a small loofah, and then I'm just going to put all of them into a plastic zip up travel bag. So these are the items I carry on with me at all times, either in my purse or in my backpack. So I have body wipes and face soap, tissues, mouthwash, toothpaste, a mini toothbrush, my spin brush, allergy medicine, mini first aid kit, and I forgot to include a small hand sanitizer, so that's what I'm doing here, and that's basically it. So now moving on to my packing cubes. I'm using the medium size in this clip. I actually got these from eBay, but you can find them on Amazon. So in my packing cube, I'm going to be packing 3 workout outfits because I plan on working out while I'm on vacation, 2 pajamas, 2 bathing suits, and a bunch of athletic and fuzzy socks. And as you guys can see, my method for packing is pretty much just rolling it as tightly as I can and then packing them inside of these cubes. And as little as they are, they hold a lot of stuff. They keep it really organized and they make a lot of space in your suitcase. Moving on to my large packing cube. My large cube will hold 5 bras and these reusable gel petals. I packed a couple of t-shirts. Some are UFO and alien themed, of course, because I will be in Roswell, New Mexico. A nice blouse, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 dresses, and a pair of comfortable linen pants. I also forgot to mention that I'm packing 3 scarves, and that will complete my large packing cube. So for my small packing cube, there's nothing fancy going in there. I'm just going to pack my underwear and a few of my feminine hygiene products, and that'll be it. So now it's time to pack everything in. My suitcase is a few years old, but I did get it off of overstock.com if anyone was wondering. It came in a 3-piece set. So first I'm packing my shoes. I'm going to be taking 4 pairs of shoes with me on this trip. Also not shown are just a pair of black flip-flops that I plan on wearing on my feet for the trip. That's why they're not in the suitcase. I'm packing the smaller pouches and packing cube first along with 1 cosmetic bag and then strapping them in to create a little bit more space. Putting in some fabric softener sheets just to make the suitcase and the clothes smell good. Next, I'm going to be putting in the larger packing cube and then the medium-sized packing cube. To the outside pockets, I'm putting in a foldable laundry basket. My thrifted jewelry case. I got this at Goodwill, you guys, for only $2. A belt and a couple random jewelry pieces. Anything that's not shown was taken with me in my backpack. And that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!